Okay, so today we are going to explain about exercise 12.4. Okay, so exercise 12.4 probability. So we have already seen about 12.1, 12.2, 12.3. So 12.4, simple one. So look at the question. A factory has two machines, one and two. Okay, in one factory has two machines. So first of all, machine one produces 60% of items. So machine one totally produces how much? 60% of items. Machine two produces 40% of the items. Further, 2% of the items produced by machine one are defective, whereas 4% produced by machine two are defective. So first try to understand the question. What is in the question? So machine one, machine two, there are two machines are there. Okay, so machine one produces 60% of item. In that 60%, how many percentage defective? 2% defective. So 40% item for machine two, 4% are defective. So what is our question? What is the probability that it is defective? If an item is drawn at random, what is the probability that it's defective? Defective percentage, defective order probability how much? Okay, first write down machine one, write down machine two. So production of machine one is 60. Defective how much? 2%. Similarly, machine two production 40, defective 4%. So 60%. How can I write 60%? 60 divided by 100. Yeah, that's it. So that is a P of first machine. Probability of first machine. Okay. Probability of first machine equal to 60 divided by 100. Probability of second machine was similarly 40 divided by 100. Now production is almost over. Now defective probability of defective terms. So prob P of D means what? Defective by I 1 means first machine. First machine order defective order percentage எவ்வளோ probability எவ்வளோ, that's it. So B of D by 1 is equal to 2% means how can I write 2 by 100? D by 2 na 4% means 4 by 100, that's it. This 4 is enough to do this sum. So what is the question? What is the probability that it is a defective? So P of getting a defective item. This is my question. P means probability. Probability of getting a defective item is equal to. So first of all, defect in the first machine, defective percentage multiply production percentage plus defective percentage of second machine multiply protection, that's it. So B of D by 1 P of 1 plus P of D by 2 P of 2. So what is the value of P of D by 1? 2 by 100 into 60 by 100 plus 4 by 100 into 40 by 100. So cancelling 0 terms, you will get 12 by 1000 plus 16 by 1000, which is equal to 1000 common, keep it there. 16 plus 12 is equal to 28. After dividing 28 divided by 1000, you will get 0.028. That's your answer. Okay, simple one. Okay, look at the third sum. A firm manufactures PVC pipes. Okay, one company manufactures PVC pipes in the three plants X, Y, Z. The daily production volumes from the three firms X, Y, Z are respectively 200 units, 300 units, 500 units. It's shown from the past experience that 3% of the output from plant X, 4% from plant Y, 2% from plant Z are defective. Yeah, like that's the first problem. So there are how many plants are there? Three plants X, Y, Z. Okay, three plants are there. How many units they produced? So X funded 2000, Y 3000, Z 5000. Okay, this is the production units. What was the defective percentage? So X order defective is 3%, for Y 4%, for Z 2%. So what is the first question? Find the probability that the selected pipe is a defective one. So before going to why I am doing like this, all the value, why I should write all the value, P of X value, P of Y value, P of Z value, because look at this, that line, a pipe is selected at a random means மூணு வச்சுட்டு நீங்கள் எதுனா சூஸ் பண்ணணும்னா நீங்கள் எது வேணாலும் சூஸ் பண்ணலாம் அதில். ஸோ எய்தர் யூ கேன் சூஸ் எக்ஸ், எய்தர் யூ கேன் சூஸ் ஒய், எய்தர் யூ கேன் சூஸ் இசட். ஓகே, That's why I write 3 value. So find the probability. Suppose the given question, yeah, pipe is selected at random, but you can choose only X item only, means you have to write only X value only. But here random, which means find the probability that the selected pipe is defective one. That is the first question. Before going to solve, first of all, write the given information. Plant X, plant Y, plant Z. Protection value, X value is 2000, 3000, 5000. Total how much? 10,000. Defection percentage is 3 percentage, 4 percentage, 2 percentage. Okay, so first of all, probability of X. Probability of X equal to 2000 production divided by how much total production? 10,000. Yeah, like that we have to write. Okay, so 2000 divided by 10,000. Answer is 2 by 10. P of Y value how much? 3000 divided by 10,000. 3 by 10. P of Z equal to 5000 divided by 10,000. Okay, so this is 10,000, not 1000. Okay, this is 0. Okay, here 10,000, and also P of Z also 10,000. Okay, 10,000. So 5 by 10, and then defective percentage. So 3 percentage defective for X. So how can I write P of defective by X? Like that in the first term, first sum we write P of D by 1, but here we have to write D by X because X is a name. So 3 percentage means 3 by 100, 4 by 4 by 100, 2% 2 by 100. That's it. That is the first question, defective pipe. So write down the formula. So defective means defective value into protection value plus defective value into protection value plus defective value into protection value. So B of D by X, B of X plus B of D by Y, P of Y plus P of D by Z, P of Z. Substitute all the value and then cancelling, you will get 7 by 250. Okay, that is the answer for first one. Second subdivision is, if the selected pipe is defective, then what is the probability that it was produced by a plant Y? Yeah. Now look at the question. Plant Y in they mention it. So I just choose only for Y. So this is the formula for P of Y by D equal to P of D by Y, P of Y divided by P of D. So P of D by Y value how much? P of D by Y value, defective Y value is 4 by 100 into P of Y value is 3 by 10 divided by P of D. P of D value means P of probability of defective. So that's 7 by 250 I just found out. That is a P of D value. Substitute and then take 7 by 250 in the numerator. You will get, cancel all the term, you will get 3 by 7. Look at the fourth question. The changes of ABC becoming the manager of certain company 5 is 3 is to 2. The probability that the office canteen will be improved, ABC becomes manager 0.4, 0.5, 0.5 respectively. If the office canteen has been improved, what is the probability that was B was appointed as the manager? Okay, so first of all, ABC, 3 posters are given. So the ratio is 5 ratio 3 ratio 2. So 5 plus 3 plus 2, totally how much? 8. 5 plus 3 plus 2, which is equal to 10. So then probability of A. So P of A, probability of A is equal to A value 5 that divided by total value 10. So probability of A is equal to 5 by 10. Probability of B is equal to 3 by 10. Probability of C is equal to 2 by 10. That's it. So first one is improved. So improved. So I for improved. Improved canteen. So look at this improved value. How can I write improved? Look at that 0.4, 0.5, 0.3. That is a improved. So 0.4 FDL law 4 by 10. And then probability of I by B. So improved for B 5 by 10. Improved for C is 3 by 10. So for A, for B, for BC. Now improved of canteen. P of I is equal to P of I by A into, so defective means defective into production plus defective into production plus defective into production. Inga improved, so improved into production plus improved into production plus improved into that full value. So improved value 4 by 10 into probability of a value is 5 by 10, and then substitute all the values, cancel all the terms, you will get 41 divided by 100. That is the first question. What is the second question? What is the probability that B was appointed as the manager? So B only they mention. In the third sum they mention Y only. Here B only. So B of B by I is equal to P of I by B, P of P divided by P of I. So substitute all the value. Do you know the value of P by I? Now only we have find out 41 divided by 100. That's that. And then take that 41 divided by 100 into the numerator. You will get 100 divided by 41. So 100 will cancel. Remaining term is 15 divided by 41. That's it. That is the fourth one. Similarly, fifth one. So try yourself fifth one because simple one. An advertising executive is studying television viewing habits of married men and women during prime time hours. Based on the past viewing records, he has determined that during prime time wives are watching television 60% of the time. It also been determined that when the wife is watching television, 40% of time husband is also watching. So wives watching television 60% of the time, husbands watching the television 40% of the time. When the wife is not watching the television is 30%. Find the probability the husband is watching the television during the prime time of the television. Yeah, first write down the probability of wife 60%. So 60 divided by 100. Husband value is 40 by 100. And then husband is prime times. So that is the P of H by W dash. Okay, 30 by 100. So after writing all the terms, first one is probability of husband watching TV is equal to P of H. So husband by wife plus husband by wife dash. Okay, prime time or with prime time or without prime time, like that. Substitute all the value, cancel all the terms, you will get 9 by 25. Similarly, second question is, if the husband is watching the television, the wife is also watching the television. Husband watch பண்ணும்போது wife watch பண்றாங்க. Yeah, like that. The write down the formula, cancel all the terms, substitute the value, cancel the terms. 24 by 36 cancel panna, you will get 2 12s are 24, 3 12s are 36. So you try to solve this problem similar method like third and fourth only. Okay.